Rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya al mursaleen. Muhammadin wa ahli bayt tayyibin al tahirin al ma'sumin. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajjal farajhum. Right. So we were on exercise number 7 and 8. Is that correct? Sir Roshan.
Yes, that's correct.
All right.
Sorry, we're at page 19.
Number 6, I think. 18.
No, page 18. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now write this exercise here. It says answer the following questions in the negative using laser. So first of all, let's go to the lesson. So you will see here, a Muslimun abuka ya Hashimu. So is your father a Muslim or Hashim? And the answer will be La huwa laysa bi Muslimin. So bi Muslimin is the actual jar and majrur and the khabar of laysa, and huwa is the ism of laysa. Then we said wa ummuka muslimatun hiya? La hiya laysat bi muslimatin. So then we said alaka abna'un ya Hisham. Na'am li sittatu abna'in. Then we did and then it's a repetition of the same thing. Now, in this exercise, which we're going to do now,
so we've got all the forms of Laysa on page 17, right, Sheikh? We went through that.
yeah, that's right. So you've got the forms. So
Yeah.
if you repeat this against the Tahira, just to for repetition, it'll be good. So you will understand how we do the exercise as well. So here we have Hamidun, Talibun. Hamid is a student.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have Hamidun, Laysa bi Talibin. Now, what's happening here is this. That Hamidun is coming as the ism of Laysa, and bi Talibin is coming as the khabar. And then
Right.
At-Tullabu Laysu bi Sigharin.
Mm-hmm.
So here, At-Tullabu and Laysu are corresponding with each other, and bi Sigharin is the khabar. And then Aminatu Laysat bi Tabibatin. The reason what's happening here is that because Laysa and Laysa, Laysu and Laysat, normally Laysa comes in the beginning of the sentence. Because it's coming in the middle of the sentence, that's the reason why the actual Laysat is corresponding to who it's referring to, Amina or Hamid and Tullab, because it's Tullab plural, so even Laysa is changes with Laysu as well. So over here now, Al-Fatayatu Mutazawwijat, the young girls are married. So Al-Fatayatu is in the beginning.
Yes.
And then Anta Kabir, and you are big. Then Anta, you change to Lasta bi Kabirin. So Lasta itself is corresponding to Anta as well. Antum Lastum bijududin. And then Anti
Lasti.
Lastunna bi mujtahidatin. Then Ana Lastu bi mudarrisin. Nahnu Lasna bi tullabin. So that was the exercise. Now, going back to where we are, page number 18. So you say over here, أمهندس أبوك؟ كان الجو. So how would you change it?
So the first one would be muhandisun abuka la huwa laysa bimuhandisin.
Correct. So أمهندس أبوك لا هو ليس
Bimuhandisin.
بمهندس. Correct. Next one.
Mudarrisatun ummuka la hiya
Yeah.
hiya
ليست.
oh
ليست.
laysat, right? Yeah, sorry. La hiya laysat bimudarrisatin.
Correct.
At-tulabun ikwatuka la hum laysu
So أطلاب إخوتك لا هم
hum
ليسوا
ikwatu
بإخوة.
ikwatin, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So no, you want to say that actually, because
Yeah.
so you say أطلاب إخوتك, you say لا هم ليسوا إخوتي.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
are they your brothers? No. هم لا هم ليسوا إخوتي. There's no need to bring ba there.
Right.
You remember we did this? It said that when there's possessive ya, there's no ba needed to bring in. So it'll be just ikhwati.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So that's not in the example, right?
No, it's not. No, I don't think it's there. I don't think it's there.
Okay. All right.
No, nurses.
Umar Ridatun
Mumar.
Akhawatuka.
akhawatuka. So la hunna
Lasna.
lasna. Humma la hunna lasna
My sisters.
akhawati.
Akhawati, correct?
Okay. Mudarrisun anta la.
Are you a teacher?
Okay. So la lasta bimudarrisun.
No. Mudarrisun anta, you have to say la ana.
Oh, la ana. Okay.
Yeah. Because the question, mudarrisun anta, are you a teacher? The answer would be la ana.
Ana
Lastu.
bimudarrisun.
No. Ana lastu
Oh, ana lastu
bimudarrisin.
bimudarrisin. Okay. Jududun antum la lastu.
No. Antum is referring to you. So when it's referring to you, when we respond, we'll respond in the plural of no, we are not.
Lastum.
Yeah, no. So if I say to you, all of you sisters, are you hardworking? And if you say no, we are not hardworking, we will not say you are. The answer when you're speaking to a person who's in front of you, and if it's a group of them, they will say we.
So la lasna
Correct.
bi jududin.
Yeah. So la nahnu lasna bijududin.
Oh, la nahnu. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, Sheikh, I'm really out of this. Jadidatun sayyaratuka. Jadidatun sayyaratuka.
Is your car?
Mhm.
What's the translation? Is your car new?
So la
Yeah.
here. Okay. Here
Laysat.
oh gosh. Here laysat sayyarati.
Yeah. So la hiya laysat. So jadidatun sayyaratuka. La hiya laysat bijadidatin.
Okay.
So no, it is not. Or you could say la you can say La Sayyarati Laysat
Mhm,
Laysat
mhm.
Bijadidatin.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So that's the way you have to do it there.
All right. So the only one where you don't put the ba is when you saying it's a
Ah, yeah,
personal,
that's
right?
That's
When
right.
you have
That's
the
right.
ya mutakallim. Okay.
That's right.
Jagzi, stop.
Sister,
Sorry about
that's fine.
He'll be
She,
reading Arabic soon.
sorry.
Sorry, Uma.
I said he'll be reading Arabic soon, the parrot.
that.
Okay, so
Inshallah.
go ahead, sister. So,
Alaikum.
Alaikum salam, Roshan. Do next exercise, number 7.
No, can I ask a question? Sorry. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
I'm totally out of it. Sorry about that. But number 5, where it says a mudarrisun anta.
So,
So
are you
a
our teacher?
teacher?
Mhm.
Yes. So do you laysa, do you start ana laysa?
So, if ana, you say la ana lastu bimudarrisin.
La ana lastu bimudarrisin. Okay. And you say lastu instead of, like, lastu is you, is it? Or I?
Lastu means I.
Okay, I got it. Okay,
Huh?
first person. Okay, thank you. Sorry to bother.
Right, sister Roshan, can you do the next one, number 7?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The teacher asks every student a question like the ones given below, and the student replies in the negative using last two. So the number 1 is, Amin America anta. Are you from America? So the answer would be La lastu min America. Would that be correct?
The teacher asks every student a question like the ones given below, and the student replies in the negative. In America anta. You say, are you from America? You say, La ana lastu min.
So I have to add ana. I didn't add ana.
Yeah,
So
add ana. La
La
ana.
ana lastu min al-America.
Correct.
Number 2, Amutazawwijun anta. Are you married? La ana lastu bi mutazawwija. Mutazawwijin.
Yeah, but mutazawwijin, correct. And number
3,
3.
Amaridun anta. Are you sick? La lastu bi maridatin.
Bimari, yeah, correct, because you're female. Mari, that's incorrect. Number 4.
Muhandisun anta. La ana lastu bi muhandisin. Bi muhandisatin. Would that be?
Yeah, correct. Ana lastu bimuhandisatin, correct.
So can I ask a question for number 2? It's
Yep.
Mutazawwijun anta. So la ana lastu mutazawwijatun, then if it's a female.
Yeah, so bimutazawwijatin. Ana lastu bimutazawwijatin. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Sorry to interrupt.
No, that's fine. Bismillah. Right, if you can do, let's bring Sister Huma to the next exercise, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then Sister Shabnam after that.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rewrite the following sentences using inna as shown in the example. Li salasu ikhwatin. I have 3 sisters.
So let's show you Sister Huma. Now, li thalatho
Li salasu
akhawatin. So-
akhwatin. I have 3 sisters.
So when it's saying asluhu thalatho akhawatin li, so what's happened here? Li is khabar, is the predicate. Thalathu akhawatin is the mubtada, which has come delayed.
Delayed.
That's the reason why it's in asluhu thalathu akhawatin li. And when inna is added, when inna is added in the beginning, the ism of inna is what?
Ism of inna is inna li salasa ikhwatin. So it will be inna is salasa akhwatin.
Yes. So thalathu change to thalath akhawatin is the ism of inna, and li is the khabar of inna. So in the next example, if you put inna in the beginning, change the actual ism, change the mubtada into the ism, the khamsa to the ism of inna. Go ahead.
Fil fasli khamsatu tulabin jud.
No, yeah, sorry, my mistake. Fil khasli.
Fi fasli khamsatu tulabin jududin.
Correct.
In this class, there are 5 new students.
Mhm.
And I have to put inna. Inna al fasli.
No, inna fil fasli.
Inna fil fasli khamsatu tulabin jududin.
No, change the word khamsatu to fatah because it's becoming the ism.
Yeah, inna fi fasli khamsata tulabin jududin.
Excellent. So khamsatu becomes khamsata.
Yeah.
Continue.
Lana mudarrisun jiyadun.
Lana mudarrisun jayyidun. What does
We
that mean?
We have good teachers.
Yep.
Ana lana mudarrisan jayadan.
Inna lana.
Inna lana
Yeah.
mudarrisan jayadan.
Inna lana mudarrisan jayyidan. Correct.
Fi JB Matu Realan. In my pocket, there are 100 reals. Ana fi JB Miatan Realan.
Mi'ata realin.
Miata Realan.
Correct.
Fil Hindi Anharun Kasiratun. In India, there are many rivers. Inna fil Hindi Anharan Kasiratin. It will be Kasiratin.
Inna fil hindi anharan kathiratan. Sifa mawsuf.
Okay. Laka barqiyatun fi maktabil baridi. There are telegrams in the post office.
Inna laka barqiyatun fil maktab al baridi. There's a telegram in the post office. Correct.
Inna laka barqiyatan maktab al baridi.
Inna laka barqiyatan
fi maktabil baridi.
Excellent. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Can you do the last one? Then I'll bring someone else. Number 6.
Li alfo dollaren fil masrafi. I have $1,000 in the bank. Inna li alfan dollaran al musarrafi. I have $1,000 in the bank. I don't have. Inna.
Inna li alfa dolarin fil masrafi.
Yeah.
Jazakallah. So surely I have $1,000 in the bank. Thank you. Al kalimatul jadidatu, Sister Who has not had a chance?
Shabnam.
It's Shabnam. I'm going to give you an exercise to do as well, so don't worry.
No, I can pass on that. I'm
No,
really
no,
out
no,
of it, but
not at all.
inshallah, I will try.
No, no, no. So I want you to do exercise number 5, because this exercise is something which we have done already, and I think he was absent from that class. So exercise 5 is rewrite the following sentence using laysa as shown in the example. So huwa tajirun, huwa laysa bitajirin. So we put laysa in the beginning, in the middle, and make it laysa bitajirin, and then huwa min al-yabani, huwa laysa min al-yabani. So continue, please.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السيارة جميلة. السيارة ليست جميلة.
السيارة ليست بجميلة.
بجميلة. So everything has a B in front of it. Okay. بجميلة, because I put a ba, it becomes I forgot my words in Arabic, but it becomes genitive, right?
Yep.
أنا غني. أنا ليس بغني. أنت فقير.
أنا لست. شبنم أنا لست بغني.
So okay. And it changes from Laysa?
Go back to again, Mr. Shabnam again.
Oh, okay, because lastu is I. Okay. أنا لست بغني. أنت
أنا لست.
فقير.
Yeah.
Sorry. Am I okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Answer.
أنت فقير. You are poor. أنت ليست بفقير.
بفكير, correct.
هي من العراق. She's from Iraq. هي ليست من
Iraqi.
من العراقي. So there's no B in front of it, right?
When there's min, there's no need to bring B. Ba.
Okay, thank you. نحن أذكياء. We are أذكياء. I'm sorry, I forgot the meaning of أذكياء.
That means intelligent.
Okay. We are intelligent, I hope. نحن ليس.
No.
No. How do I do لسنا?
لسنا.
Okay.
Yeah.
نحن لسنا بأذكياء.
Yep.
هو أذب.
هو أذب.
Isn't Adkia a diptot, so it doesn't change to E?
Correct, sister.
Oh, okay.
So because it ends alif and hamza, it's a dipto, so it become bi azkiya instead of a kasra.
But okay, thank you for correcting. Huwa azabu. He is.
Huwa azabun. He's a bachelor.
He's a bachelor. Okay.
Yeah.
Huwa laysa bi'azabin. Al-mudarrisuna fil fusli. Al-mudarrisuna laysa fil fusuli.
Laysu.
Laysu. And why is it laysu? Because it's
the word
plural.
al-mudarrisuna is plural, so that's the reason why it has to be laysu as well.
Okay, thank you. Anti zakiyatun. Anti laysati.
No,
Lasti.
anti.
Okay. Anti.
Sorry, let's break it down. Anti zakiyatun. Are you intelligent? You're talking to a female.
Yes.
And then when you speak to it, and you will say, I am, it's because anti, so you will change that to lasti.
Lasti.
Anti,
okay.
lasti.
Lasti. Anti lasti bizakiyatin.
Correct.
Antum kibarun. So antum lastum
Correct.
bikibarin.
Correct.
At-talibatu fil maktabati.
Correct.
So at-talibatu laysat
No, it's
Film.
no, a talibatu is plural, so it should be they all females.
okay.
That's
So at-talibatu lastu.
no lasna.
Oh, because it became we. Okay.
No, it became they.
Atta-
They. A talibat, because we're talking about the third person, the female students. Like in English, if we talk about someone, like for example, we say Uncle Rashid has not come to the class today. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give him health, because he was not feeling well last week because he came back from Iraq. So we speak about him. When we mention his name, it's always in the form of he. Now here, we're talking about females. At-talibatu, they. So it'd be lasna.
Okay. So at-talibatu lasna fil maktabati.
Yep.
Sorry,
Antun.
Sorry, Shabnam, can I interrupt here? So
Yes,
it's
go ahead.
Talibatun. Would it be lasna or lastunna?
Lasna, because it's a third person. If it's lastunna, then it should be antunna. If it was antunna al-mudarrisuna, then it'd be lastunna. Because we're talking about al-mudarrisuna, which are third person, it would be lasna, not lastunna. If it was like over here, antum become lastum. So it's because it's not antum, it's atalibatu, then it would be lasna.
Okay, sorry, thank you.
Oh, that's fine.
Antunna talibatun jududun. So antunna lasna talibatan.
No, antunna.
Antunna
Start again. Antunna.
Okay.
Yep.
So okay, antunna talibatun jududun. So antunna lasna.
No, not antunna is coming now. Should be same now.
Isn't it we?
No, it's not we, you. So
okay.
We're just changing the sentences. We're not doing anything else. It's not question. They're not questions. They're sentences. We're changing. So, for example, if you go here,
it's just negating, right?
Yeah. So antunna mujtahidatun. When antunna becomes las tunna. Las tunna.
What page is that?
This is page number 17.
Okay. Oh, okay. It says there. Okay, sorry.
So see
so
this.
Look
at this. So it says Shabna al-fatayatu mutazawwijatun. The girls is the same as at-talibatu. So al-fatayatu mutazawwijatun. It will become al-fatayatu lasna bi mutazawwijatin.
Yes. Okay. Clear? Which is the same as antunna
mujtahidatun. No.
Yeah.
Antunna is same as this one here. Antunna mujtahidatun is exactly the same as over there.
Yes, so it'll become antunna laysa lastunna.
Yep.
Talib. Should I put a b talibatin? Jududin. Does it have a b in front because there's no al or fi or anything?
So what will happen is this. You will say
so there is a b, right, in front of him.
So let me let me show you. So antunna bitalibatin. Antunna lastunna bitaliba will be coming.
Yes, that's what I was saying. So it become bitalibatin Jududin.
Yeah. Jududin, correct.
Thank you so much for giving me a
Welcome.
chance to do
No
this.
problem. Right. And can you do the al-kalimat al-jadidatu?
Al-kalimatul jadidatu, the new words. Liqa'un,
Meeting.
jayyidun, jayyibun, and
Jayyidun.
plural is jayyidun. Jayyibun, plural is juyubun.
Mhm.
Nahrun,
Jaybun.
plural is anharun. Sorry.
Jaybun.
Jaybun, plural is juyubun, right?
Yeah. thank you.
Nahrun, plural is anharun. Barqiyatun, plural is barqiyatun, jumla. Masrifun, jumla, masarifun. What's the meaning of masrifun and masar? I forgot.
Telephone,
Bank.
masarif is bank.
Sorry?
Bank.
Bank, okay. And maktabul bariyatu, I guess that's
Maktabul
post
Barid,
office.
post office, yeah. Jazakallah. Right,
Thank you.
no problem. Right, this is a long lesson and we ain't going to do this lesson. Because it's a lot of things to, even the points to remember. Okay, what we'll do the points to remember and probably have to end on this points to remember and then start do the next week, inshallah. Okay, can I request on number 1 up to here, the comparative, Sister Tahira, can you do the number 1 comparative, please? And then I'll ask Sister Roshan to the next part. Bismillah.
Page 31.
Yes.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, we learn the following. Comparative and superlative degrees of the adjective. Adjectives in the comparative degree are on the pattern of af'alu, like ajmalu, more beautiful, ahsanu, better, asgaru, smaller, aqdamu, older. As we have already learned, words on this pattern are diptotes and so have no tanween. Af'alu is followed by min, then min, which is then example. Hamid is taller than Bilal. Hamidun atwalu min Bilalin. Excuse me. Af'alu is the same for masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. Example, excuse me, Bilal is taller than Amina. Bilalun atwalu min Aminata. Amina is taller than Bilal. Aminatu atwalu min Bilalin. The sons are taller than the daughters. Al-abna'u atwalu min al-banati. The daughters are taller than the sons. Al-banatu atwalu min al-abna'i. So everyone here,
Yeah, Karen, everyone is here. What?
everyone is using the same atwalu like afalu, right?
Exactly. This is the most important thing. So when it's coming in the meaning of comparative, so with the feminine or the masculine, singular or plural, atwala is being used.
Okay.
And min comes with it as well.
Okay.
Next point, note that the following examples.
Note the following examples wherein min is followed by a pronoun. You are better than I. Anta ahsanu minni.
Mhm.
I am shorter than you. Ana aksaru minka.
Mhm.
They are older than we.
Mhm.
Hum akbaru minna sinan. Af'alu is also used for the superlative degree. In this case, it is followed by a majroor noun.
Jazakallah. Thank you. Let me get Sister Roshan to read the next one. Superlative. So the first one is so af'alo has two meanings. It comes in the meaning of comparative, and when it comes in the meaning of comparative, it's atwalo men. But when it's superlative, then it comes as a relationship of mudaf and mudaf ilay. So Ibrahimu ahsanu talibin. So ahsanu talibin will come in the meaning of best student. So it's not comparison between one person, it's a whole group of individuals. So that's the reason why it's called a superlative degree. Is that clear, Sister?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
Superlative is between two, right? And superlative is between a group, kind of?
Yes, the majority, and also it can be a group, and also you will see that it means that he is the best. There's no one better than him itself.
Okay. Okay, like Allahu Akbar.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead, Sister Roshan Jafar.
Okay.
Ibrahim.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So I'm starting from the last line
Yep.
here, right?
Uh-huh.
Ibrahim is the best student in the school. So Ibrahimu ahsanu talibin fil madrasati.
Al-Azharu.
Al-Azhar is the oldest university in the world. Al-Azharu aqdamu jamiyatin fil alami.
Mhm.
Fatima is the eldest student in our class. Fatimatu akbaru talibatin fi faslina. The Arabic name for both the comparative and superlative degree is
Alu.
af'alu
Tafdilu.
tafdila.
Yep.
Af'alu al-tafdila.
Tafdilu. At-tafdilu.
Tafdilu, okay. Walakinna, but is one of the sisters of Inna and so acts like Inna. For example, Bilal is hardworking, but Hamid is lazy. Bilalun mujtahidun, walakinna Hamidan kaslanu. My brother is married, but I am a bachelor. Akhi mutazawijun, walakinni azabun. My car is old, but it is strong. Sayyarati kadimatun walakinnaha kawiyatun.
Correct. My car is old.
But it is strong. Walakinnaha kawiyatun.
Correct.
Number 3. Shall I continue?
Yes, do number 3, then I bring Sister Homa.
Ka'anna is one of the sisters of Inna, and so the noun following it is mansub. It means it looks as if. For example, it looks as if the Imam is sick. Ka'anna al-imama maridun. Who is this girl? It looks as if she is your sister. Man hadihil fatatu ka'annaha uktuka. It looks as if this car belongs to him. Ka'anna hadihi sayyarata lahu. So they're all mansub, so they all have fatha. Sayyarata lahu. You seem to be from India. Ka'annaka min al-Hindi. So now this is genitive because it is it follows min.
Right.
So Hindi is genitive. Kasra.
So, yeah, so al-imam is the ism of ka'anna, maridun is the khabar. Ka'annaha, ha here. So here, ka'annaha. There's a mistake there. Yeah, so that's right. Ka'annaha, ha is the ism of ka'anna. Ukhtuka is the khabar. And then كأن هذه السيارة هذه السيارة is the ism of kana and lahu is the khabar. And then كأنك ka is the ism of كأن من الهندي is the khabar. Number 4s. They're
Sheikh,
huma.
can I ask you a question, please?
Yeah.
Sheikh, is al-Hindi diptote?
No, it's got alif lam there.
Okay.
So when it has alif lam, it's not a diptone.
Okay, thanks.
Number 4. The numbers from 11 to 20 with the masculine madud. These numbers are compound. They consist of 2 parts. The madud is singular mansub. From 11 to 20, they are masculine madud and they're singular. Ahada ashra kawkaba. Ahada ashra kawkaba. 11 stars. Tas'ata ashra kitaban. 19 books. We will deal with these numbers under 4 heads. A, number 11 and 12. Both parts agree with the madud. Ahad ashra taliban. 11 male students. Ahadi ashrata talibatan. 11 female students.
Ihdi.
Huh?
Ihdi.
Where did I say? Oh, Adi ashrat talibatan. 11 female students. Isna ashra taliban. 12 male students. Isnata ashrata talibatan. 12 female students. B, numbers from 13 to 19. Here the second part agrees with the madud and the first part does not. Example, Salasata ashra taliban. Taliban and ashra, they're masculine, and salasata will be feminine. Salasata ashrata talibatan. So salasa is masculine, ashrata and talibatan, they're feminine. As you can see in salasata ashrata taliban, the maduds taliban is masculine. So the second part of the number ashrata is masculine, while the first part salasata is feminine as indicated by the ta ending. Salasata ashrata talibatan, the madud talibatan is feminine, so the second part of the number is ashrata as also feminine, while the first part salasa is masculine as addressed by the absence of ta. In this lesson, we learn these numbers only with the masculine madud. We will learn them again with the feminine madud in lesson 6. Number C.
Let's see for next week because it's coming to iftar now. It's time in Bristol.
Okay.
We'll do this next week, inshallah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa